it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the January Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a terrific box, and we're going to take a look, see what's inside, and spoiler alert, if you haven't received your box yet, I will be sharing the contents here. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and open the January 2024 Sew Sampler Box. Okay, I did not guess this one. Hats off to you, January 2024. But the fabric is absolutely gorgeous. It is a Lori Holt collection, and it's actually called Mercantile. And so it has kind of that old-fashioned feel of fabrics that would have been in a mercantile store. And just a really wide range of colors, just some browns, different shades of blue going into the aquas, greens, kind of a mustard color in a few different shades, some lights, and then again even reds and pinks. So really just a whole kind of color range. And the fabrics are a little bit muted and soft, as you would imagine maybe an antique fabric to be. So just a really, really gorgeous collection by Lori Holt for Riley Blake. Okay, box contents. Smetch needles, 8012, and these are actually the sharps. And I love it when they send me needles in these boxes. It reminds me that I need to change my needle more often on my sewing machine. I think I've talked about this a little bit before, but I have a friend who puts a new needle in every time she starts a project, and she never has issues with forgetting about whether her needle needs to be changed or not, because she knows that she's put in a new needle with every project. And so that's something I'm trying to be better at. Okay, this little gadget is actually a thread cutter, and it's shaped like a bee, the Lori Holt bee theme. And this is actually a sticky thing, so you can peel this off and stick it. So a great idea would be to stick this on your sewing machine, and then you have just a little, really sharp little cutter right there. The packaging directions also talked about you could take it with you, you could stick it on a pin cushion, especially if that pin cushion was like a plastic or a metal. You could stick it on really anywhere that you think you would need to cut thread, and just a fun little notion. This is a bee binding holder, and a Fat Quarter Shop has included a binding holder before, but it was quite a bit smaller. And so this is a really nice size to be able to just wrap your binding around this, and it'll keep your binding smooth until you're ready to use it. And I just think this is a great idea. I'm really happy with the larger size that they included in this box. Okay, this is the little card that it kind of explains everything that is in there. Always be sure to look at this card. Sometimes they have additional information about the products that you can find out about them. Okay, this little notion is something I'm super excited about. This is a 2.5 inch by 8.5 inch ruler. And what I love about this is that the 1/4 inch all the way around the ruler is clearly marked with the aqua color. So it's going to make it so easy to see. I love that. And also something just a little bit different that I actually haven't seen on a ruler before is that this corner and this corner are cut off to make it easy to trim dog ear units or little pieces on your half square triangles or any other block. I love that they've kind of added that extra little feature. And this is also, ruler is from Riley Blake. And then last but not least, there is a darling haberdashery pattern with the little hats that is perfectly suited for the jelly roll included in this box. And I think these are called roly-polies for Riley Blake. Their 2.5 inch strip rolls are called roly-polies. And then finally, we have our pressed flowers. This is block 10, so there are just 2 blocks left. And this pattern is available in paper, or you can also purchase them in PDF from the Fat Quarter Shop website. We will have all of these products linked in the description below. And also if there are any a la carte boxes, I'll be sure to link that. Sometimes you can purchase the box without having a subscription and just check back and and see if some of those are available depending on when you watch the video. Okay, so that's it for the January 2024 Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. As you saw, a lot of great products in here, a couple that I can't wait to use, and just really gorgeous fabrics this month from Lori Holt. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.